Hi guys, I am doing a little test today. I got some metallic pouring medium from Primal Flow, and I took my 3 golden paints that I just bought: primary cyan, quinacridone magenta, green gold. I am just going to take this black, it's a shimmer black. I'm going to try to recreate a piece that I did it turned out beautiful. It was a fail. So instead of scraping it and doing it all over again, I just did another bloom. So we're going to try to do that. I'm going to try to recreate it. I'm going to put just a little bit right in the center. Now I don't blow with a hairdryer. I'll save some for the next one. Blow with my air gun, and it's set at 5%. Not 5%, 5 psi. So it's really low. And I think I want just a drop of that green gold on top. My Amsterdam white is mixed with 3 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint. These are mixed. I just put in about a ½ centimeter and 3 drops of paint into this metallic pouring medium. All right, I'm ready to blow. Pretty much the first time. And so then I tried tipping it. So we're going to try to tip it. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to ruin this bloom. Okay. All right, so now I'm going to ruin it. I don't know if this is catching on the camera. I'm going to bring it up. See that shimmer in there? So cool. I get this back to center. Okay, let's do this again. Okay, now I'm going to go around the outside edges here. I almost had it. I lost some of my color here. It turned into a little bit of mud. So I'm just going to put some more on. Just some little drops. Some more vibrancy like this side on that side. Scraping every little drop. I feel like I'm working with resin. That's about all I'm going to get. Okay, not as good as my first one. I'll go get my other one. The only thing I did different on this one was that I added some CAD light hue to that metallic pouring medium. And that was the last thing that I put on before I put on the white. And on this one, I didn't put it on at all. I just wanted to see if that yellow would enhance the green, and it did. But I love this one. So far, I love this one more than I do that one. What do you guys like? Which one do you like? I can't wait for these to dry, to be honest with you, because I want to see what that metallic pouring medium did to the paint. I mean, I can see it wet, but I want to see it dry. And then I'll cover these with stone coat and turn them into trivet. I like them. What do you think? I got some gray, yes, but that's because I used the black as a base. However, I realized that when you combine that, when I did that chart, which was amazing, by the way, I'm still in awe over it. If I mix these three colors, I'm not going to get mud, and these colors are really pretty. I don't know. Is it too busy? Do you guys think it's too busy? I like them. Okay. Well, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you coming in and stopping by. And I hope that you will like, subscribe, give me a comment, tell me what you think. Check out the description box below for links to these products. And we will see you next time. Short and sweet, right? Isn't it a great? All right. Love you guys. Bye-bye.